In this video, you will get 100 important GK for all the competitive examination. So let's start. Number 1. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Answer: camel. Question 2. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 26 letters. Rainbow consists of how many colors? Rainbow consists of 7 colors. How many days, how many seconds make 1 hour? 3600 seconds. Baby frog is known as tadpole. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 21 consonants. How many vowels are there in the English alphabet, and name them? There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet, namely A, E, I, O, U. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer: lion is known as the king of the jungle. Name the national bird of India. The peacock. Name the national animal of India. Tiger. What is the national anthem of India? The national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man. Name the national flower of India. Lotus flower. Name the national fruit of India. Mango. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Who designed the national flag of India? The flag was designed by Pingali Bankaya. Name the national game of India. Hockey. Name the national tree of India. Banyan tree. Name the national river of India. Ganga. Name the national reptile of India. King Cobra. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Name the biggest continent in the world. Asia. '27. How many continents are there in the world? Answer: 7 continents. Name the primary colors. There are 3 primary colors, which is red, yellow and blue. Which is the smallest month of the year? Answer is February. Name the house made of ice. Igloo. Which color symbolizes peace? White color. Name the largest mammal. Blue whale. '33. Sun rises in the east. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3. Name the largest planet of our solar system. Jupiter. Name the place known as the roof of the world. Answer is Tibet. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer is Srimati Indira Gandhi. '39. Who is the first citizen of India? The first citizen of India is the President of India. How many states are there in India? Total 28 states are there. How many union territories are there in India? 8 union territory. How How many years are there in 1 millennium? In 1 millennium, there are 1000 years. Name the first man to walk on the moon. Answer is Neil Armstrong. Name the oceans of the world. The Antarctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is also known as Southern Ocean. Name the densest jungle in the world. The Amazon rainforest. Which festival is called the Festival of Color? Answer is Holi. What is the isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides have the same length or two sides are equal. The triangle having two of its sides are equal are called isosceles triangle. Next question. What type of gas is absorbed by plants? Carbon dioxide gas. How many days a February month have in the leap year? In the leap year, February month has 29 days. Name the longest river on the earth. The longest river on the earth is Nile River. Name the smallest continent. The smallest continent is Australia. Which is the principal source of energy for the earth? Means the ultimate source of energy for the earth is sun. Anti-clockwise is it from left or right? Answer is from left. Next question. Name the planet nearest to the earth. Mercury. Which festival is known as the Festival of Light? Answer Diwali. Next question. Name a bird that lays the largest eggs. Answer is ostrich. Next question. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? So national aquatic animal of India is river dolphin. Next question. Name the national heritage animal of India. Answer is elephant. Next question. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest. Who invented radio? Answer is G. Marconi. G. Marconi is known as the father of radio. Next question. Who invented electricity? Answer is Benjamin Franklin. Which continent is known as the dark continent? Answer is Africa. Name the planet known as the red planet. Mars. Mars is also known as the red planet. Next question. Who wrote Malgudi Days? Answer R.K. Narayan. Name the national game of the USA. Baseball. Next question. Who invented watch? Answer Peter Wellin. Next question. Name the largest democracy of the world. The largest democracy of the world is our India. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer stapes. Stapes is located in our ear. Name the country known as the land of rising sun. Answer is Japan. Next question. How many millimeters are there in a centimeter? In 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeter. Next question. Name the hardest substance available on Earth. So answer is diamond. Diamond is known as the hardest substance on Earth. Name a shape that has 10 sides. The polygon having 10 sides is known as decagon. Deca means 10, gon means the sides. Next question. Name the largest ocean in the world. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Who is the real founder of Microsoft? The founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates and Paul G. Allen. Bill Gates and Paul G. Allen. Who gave the theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Next question is, who is the father of our nation? So father of our nation is Mahatma Gandhi. Who discovered the X-ray first? It was discovered by W. Roentgen, Wilhelm Roentgen. Next question. Who gave the universal law of gravitation? So Isaac Newton is the answer. Isaac Newton gave the universal law of gravitation. Next question. What is a telescope? A telescope is an instrument in the shape of a tube with special pieces of glass lenses inside it. It makes things that are far away appear bigger and nearer. Name the natural satellite of Earth. The natural satellite of Earth is Moon. Now it is true false round. So first question is, 34 teeth in total adults have. Answer is false. There are 32 teeth in total. Adult human being has 32 teeth. Next, barometer used to measure atmospheric pressure. True. This one is true. Barometer is used for measuring atmospheric pressure. Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman who go into space. True. Next question. Sparrow is a bird known for its intelligence. Answer false. It is owl. Owl is known for its intelligence. Next question. Europe is the second smallest continent and the third most populous continent. Answer is true. Next question. Bosnia and Herzegovina's largest city and capital is Sarajevo. Answer is true. Next question. '87. Plants absorb oxygen. Answer false, because plants absorb only carbon dioxide. Next question. Denmark's capital and most populous city is Copenhagen. Answer is true. Half of 250 is 125. True. Next, meter per second is the SI unit of speed. True. Next question. William Shakespeare is a scientist. Answer false, because William Shakespeare was an English dramatist, poet and actor. Next question. There are 200 bones in the human body. Answer is false because in human body there are 206 bones. Next question. Electrons are the larger than molecule. False. Electrons are smaller than the molecule. Electron is also smaller than atom. With the help of photosynthesis, plants make their own food. True. By using sunlight and in the process called photosynthesis, plants make their own food. Chemical formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. The chemical formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl. This is true. Next question. There are 11 players in a cricket team. True. In 1916, Olympic Games were cancelled because of World War I. Answer true. Next question. In football, the term hat-trick is used. False. The term hat-trick is used in cricket only. Next question. There are 9 players in one team of Coco. Answer true. Last question is, Commonwealth Games are held every 4 years. Answer is true. So this was all about the 100 GK important question for all the competitive examination. I hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching.